All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the cruise control on the Subaru Impreza 2022. These are all the different settings. We're going to press this to activate cruise control. You see that little thing there with the speedometer on it? That tells you you're now in the cruise control operation. You can see you've got your car lengths, your car. And what we've got to do next is we're going to press this button here. This keeps us within the lanes so that we don't swerve out of our lane. And what it does is basically it alerts you to that you're drifting. So we're going to go ahead and press that. And then when we look up there, we're going to see that to the right side. You see the little lanes and the car in it. And then this right here, we can decrease the number of car lengths between us and the car in front of us by pressing that. And there you go, there's 3, there's 2, and there's 1. You can't go lower than 1. You got to be at least 1 tailgate away. And then up here, we can increase the number by pressing that. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, 4 car lengths. And then here we can set it to a specific speed. Let's say we're going 65. We just press down and it sets it at 65. If you want to reset it, you push it up. Let's say you want to go faster, you can do that. And basically that's the cruise control. That's how everything works on this. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the Subaru Impreza. Peace out.